Big crypto news today. So many different assets. Let's dive through with lightning speed. First, Eminem and Snoop Dogg have released a new music video where they transform into bored apes. Massive celebrities, huge adoption, huge network. The ape token gives you a governance right, a voting stake over this entire ecosystem for the Bored Ape Yacht Club metaverse. And you can also buy the land to this ecosystem on Coinbase as an NFT in case you weren't aware. But just think about how powerful the ape token is if it gives you a vote over that ecosystem, which is obviously huge. Keep going. By the end of summer, we'll be launching our two biggest feature updates yet. Lofty secondary market, Lofty custodial wallet. This is an update from Lofty AI. Big things are happening on the Algorand blockchain. Lofty AI tokenizes real estate, which is an extremely valuable use case of blockchain. If you can own a piece of a house for like $50, absolutely huge, absolutely groundbreaking. Let's keep going. Binance launches institutional platform for VIP high rollers. This is so smart. There isn't really an exchange that captures the big institutional money in a secure way. Binance is trying to dominate that space with a very high-end custodial wallet for the big money. Very, very, very smart. Obviously, these big guys don't want to trade on maybe Coinbase or Crypto.com. So Binance obviously leading the way again. Here's an update on Thorchain. Thorchain mainnet goes live on 7 networks. Rune spikes. Thorchain is an interoperable asset that connects different blockchains. I don't know if you guys remember me saying, don't chase it at $8. Well, now it's at $2, selling off. If you believe in that asset, clearly there's some decent fundamentals there, but let's keep moving. So much exciting stuff. Meta, Microsoft, and other tech giants say they want an open metaverse, but Yatsu, the founder and executive chairman of Animoca Brands, the $5 billion software and VC firm behind many leading metaverse projects, comments on digital colonialism implied by Web2 corporations, explaining what the open metaverse means. This speaks to the metaverse wars. Obviously, all companies and organizations are going to be competing to divide up this space. Animoca Brands, which is a big investor in the Ape token, the Flow blockchain, and the Rev Racing token, among others, is calling out Web2 massive tech giants. It's going to be really interesting how this plays out, but Animoca Brands is going to be a big player in competing with Facebook, with Microsoft, with everyone else trying to get into this space. Let's keep going. So much news today. Strava meets Pokemon Go. Stepn has 3 million users. So that is an update right there, but its token is down 97%. Stepn is a move to earn app where you get paid in crypto rewards. Just giving you an update on how big that community now is at 3 million users. That's huge. Coinbase adds support for on-chain Polygon and Solana transactions. So what's happening is they're not just using Ethereum transactions for Coinbase. They are going multi-chain. They're going to be supporting lots of different networks. The future is absolutely multi-chain. The world has not discovered these alt assets quite yet, but Solana, Polygon, big moves, obviously epic networks. Speaking on Solana, they just launched a mobile phone to compete with Apple. Obviously, I thought that Apple is getting too comfortable, right? Big tech, when they get too comfortable, they get disrupted. Well, Solana is launching its own mobile phone running on Web3. It is absolutely huge when you break down the implications of that. So just wait for the mobile phone industry to get disrupted. Absolutely huge. Let's keep moving. There's so much to discuss. First of all, Filecoin storage now represents 1% of global cloud storage capacity. Just an update. Filecoin getting huge. People don't even know about the use case of how blockchain can be used to store data in a decentralized way. It is so absolutely huge, guys, when you think about the potential of these assets. In the meantime, we get to think about where we are currently in this cycle. Here's a chart of Bitcoin. Just an update. Bouncing along its 200-week moving average. Look at that rock solid trend. Bitcoin is now at the bottom. Historically, it is a bottoming indicator when it hits that metric. Last but not least, guys, obviously we're in a crypto winter, but people are looking at crypto, calling it out, using it as a scapegoat. But this is the reality of the situation we're in. Retirement savers lose over $3 trillion in stock market retreat. It is not a crypto story. You have to assume that eventually all these retirement accounts are going to recover. And when they do, crypto, which is trading in tandem with everything selling off right now, should recover. And it should be an incredible moment. We will stay on top of this market in the meantime.